Hey guys, what's up? I gotta be really quiet because my dad's in there and he's taking a nap when he's watching TV. I don't know, but anyways, I'm here on my front porch and I don't know. I'm making a lot of videos to be really bored, but I thought maybe I'd tell you guys something. I'm gonna talk to you. But not much better. Alright, anyways, maybe I'll do a backyard tour. That's fun, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, I'm gonna calm down my so this is like my front porch. Like some baskets, and this is like some chairs on the front porch. And it's like my door, and I can't show you what's like up there, so that's my camera stuff. So hang that, this is like stuff. I don't like my steps. Walk back here, there's like trash cans, some food stuff, some stuff back here, my back door, some stuff, my little swing that's like 20 feet off the ground, my dad put it up really high, picnic table, oh look, there's a jar, my cat, my grill, some stuff in there, that's my bench that I was talking about in my last video that I said it. Some other stuff, so yeah, it's my backyard. I don't know. I'm really bored. I think I'm gonna stop making videos. Not I don't know. So, peace.